This literature kit on The Cricket in Times Square by George Selden takes all the work out of planning a lesson, so there's more time focused on comprehension and engaging hands-on follow-up activities. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Compare Chinatown with Times Square by listing 3 differences. Describe Chester's dream and what he did in response to it. Find the words the author used to represent sounds and explain what sounds they represent. Imagine what it would be like for Harry and Tucker to visit Chester in the country. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as getting into the skin of Tucker to tell how he would act if he found money in Times Square. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a story map in the form of a trained graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.